If you're looking for live sports on your Amazon Fire TV stick, first thing, we'll download a program, Downloader. The orange icon, install it. Settings icon on the far right, come down to My Fire TV. And if you do not already have developer options listed here, click under About, and then under Fire TV Stick, use your remote, click it about 7 to 10 times, and then as you can see, no need. You are now a developer. Then go to Developer Options. Under Install Unknown Apps, turn on Downloader. This gives Downloader the ability to sideload applications that may not be available on your Amazon Fire TV. Find yourself a good, reliable VPN to safeguard your online activity. I would suggest SurfShark VPN. Come down, hit SurfShark, download, install, and get it. Use the link in the description below to get yourself 82% off and a few free months. Go back to the home screen, look for a downloader, open it up, say yes, and allow downloader to access photos, media, and files on the device. And under downloader, we're going to type in a quick URL, 370178. And this will send you to the Led by the Unknown webpage where we can find these awesome applications. So now on this download page, we got a couple videos and how-tos, extra ones for you. Some applications for movies and TV shows, live TV, sports, and you name it. Today, let's scroll down a bit. And if we're looking for sports, head on down a little further. Second one in the list here for sports. Trust me, you'd like this one for sports, folks. You get the latest and an older version for a backup just in case if something's not working. Then install. And then click Done. Delete the APK file. And we're good to go.